My name is Ravina, and I'm here to tell you about Voltas air conditioners you've got to see. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Voltas 1-ton AC comes with special features such as auto restart, sleep mode, turbo, swing, LCD remote, and a timer by Voltas. Number 2. The Voltas 185DZA is a high-power air conditioner that weighs 1.5 ton and is an efficient window AC that can be fitted anywhere. Inbuilt anti-dust filter, another great product by Voltas. Number 3. Amazon Great Indian Sale is now live. Click this banner and get the best deals for you. Number 4. 1.5 ton capacity, suitable for medium-sized rooms 120 to 180 square foot. Number 5. Also by Voltas. For more info about these great online offers, click this banner in the corner. Number 6. 1-ton capacity, suitable for small-sized rooms smaller than 120 square foot. Number 7. Number 8. For more info, click the banner below. Number 9. Number 10.